Good morning students. Today we are going to study chapter 1 from class 5 EVS, that is super senses. So let's start. First of all, we should understand what are sense organs. How many sense organs do you have? Sense organs are the organs which helps us to know and understand the world around us. We have 5 sense organs and they all help us to do what is going on around us. We have our ears which help us to hear. We have tongue which help us to taste the tasty food which our mom cooks. Third, we have eyes which help us to see the colorful world around us. Fourth is nose which helps us to smell, and fifth one is our skin which help us to touch and feel different kind of things. Not only we humans but animals also have sense organs. They can see, smell, taste, hear, but their sense organs are super strong than us. Do you know how? So let's start reading our book. Has it ever happened that you were eating something outside your home and some of the food fell on the ground and an eagle flew down and took away the piece of food? Can we see any food item from so far? We can't see, but the eagle can see. Or whenever you walk past a sleeping dog, you walked very softly so that his sleep is not disturbed. Still, its ears shut up at once. How did he come to know? And you must have definitely seen whenever you drop something sweet on ground, within minutes many ants get collected around it. So why does it happen? How the ant comes to know there is some food fallen on the ground? Sense organs of the animals are super strong, much more stronger than us. So that is why the thing which we can't see, smell, hear or feel, animals can feel very quickly. Some animals can see their food or prey from far away. Some can hear the faintest sound. Faintest means the sound which is not loud, something like whispering very softly. And animals can listen clearly to the faintest sound also. So, the first sense we are going to study about is super sense of smell in ants. An ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. So let me draw for you. So suppose this is an ant hole and an ant was going along on the ground. Suddenly it saw another groups of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly came back to its hole, and as you know there are different types of ants in a group. There is one queen ant, there are worker ants and there are guard ants also. Guarding the ant hole, the guard ants recognize this ant and quickly let it in. And if I ask you, you won't be able to tell me the difference between ants of different groups. But ants themselves are able to recognize each other. It's so amazing, no? So how did the ant know that the other ants were not from its group? Because animals have super strong senses. Ants recognize their friends with the help of their smell. Just like we see each other and remember each other's face, you remember your parents' face, you remember your friend's face, like that ants can smell and remember their friends. Now try to do an activity. Drop some sugar, jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. How long did it take for the ants to come? Usually it takes 15 to 20 minutes for the ants to come. Did one ant come first or a group of ants came together? One ant came first, then a group of ants came. What did the ants do with the food? The ants carried the food to their home. Where do they go from there? They went to their ant hole from there. Do they move in a line? Yes, they always move in a line. Here you can see how ants are moving in a line. How they know which way to go? They know this because ants leave a special kind of smell on the ground. When they move and other ants at the back follow the smell to find their way. Now see, just like ants, even dogs also have super senses of smell. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think it is trying to smell? First of all, you must have seen dogs always do toilet here and there. Why they are doing toilet here and there? They mark their own area, and you know very well that whenever a new dog comes to our area, how strongly the dogs of our area barks at the new dog. Dogs never allow a new dog to enter their area. So to mark out their area, a dog urinates here and there. And this dog in the picture is trying to smell the urine and is trying to find out whether this area belongs to any other dog or not. So, in what way do human beings make use of this special sense of smell of dogs? We can use dogs to detect stolen things, to catch thieves, or to find bombs. So, now let us summarize which all animals have super sense of smells. The first animal is rat. Rat can sense the smell of food fallen on the ground from a far distance. Second is dog. As we have already discussed, dogs can find out stolen things, dogs can catch thieves, dogs can also find out hidden bombs. Third one is bear. Even bear can smell fish inside the river and it can catch its prey. What about mosquitoes? Even mosquitoes also can sense the smell your body. Mosquitoes can sense the heat of your body. So this is how mosquitoes have super sense of smell. And ants we have already discussed. Ants can recognize its friends with the help of sense of smell. This super sense helps an animal to find its food or protect themselves from predators. Who are predators? Predators are those animals who come to attack an animal. Now one question arises. When do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? List some examples. Like to know by its smell that food has gone bad or that something is burning in the kitchen. This is how we also take the help of our sense of smell. Like that, we can recognize the smell of flowers, perfumes, tasty food, incense sticks, leaking gas in the kitchen, etc. We can find out with the help of our sense of smell. Name the animals that you would be able to recognize only by their smell without seeing them. So we can recognize animals with the smell of their body such as cow, dog, cat, fish, etc. with the smell. Now you have to write names of 5 things about the smell you like and about the smell which you don't like. So I like the smell of perfume, flowers, my favorite food, incense stick, soap or shampoo. I do not like the smell of garbage, cow dung, dead fish, urine and potty. So now we are going to study about a story. Today Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. What happened? This lady in the picture here, her name is Sushila. Now Sushila's sister Rajni had to go out for some work and she had one small baby. So she requested Sushila to take care of her son Deepak for some time. And it was such a funny incident that both the babies did potty at the same time. Sushila happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta or scarf. Why it happened so? Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? Because when we feel something is dirty, we find it smell bad. Sushila felt Deepak's nappy is dirty, so she had to cover her nose while cleaning, whereas when she cleaned her daughter's nappy, she did not feel it being dirty because she was used to cleaning her own baby's nappy, but Deepak's nappy was first time for her. So Sushila felt that Deepak's nappy was dirty. How do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Think of children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. We feel very bad when we walk near a heap of garbage. But the children who spend their whole day picking up things from garbage became used to the smell. So that is why they don't feel bad. Here we have to note that smell depends on how people think about it, but some smells are always bad for most of the people.